Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about on how to tokenize sentences instead of words. Okay, so there is another module to work with that. I'm gonna talk about this module today. So let's just create a variable which will store a sentence or a list of sentences. So let's just call sent, which will be equal, for example, this is a sent. This is another one, and dot this is the last one. So as you guys can see, I have this string which apparently has 3 sentences inside. Okay, and I'm gonna split or tokenize this document or this sentence into separated sentences. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna import the module that will do the work. I'm gonna import from NLTK.tokenize. I'm gonna import import send tokenize, which is a function. Okay, so let's press enter, and after that I'm able to tokenize this variable. Okay, so I'm gonna call send tokenize, and I'm gonna pass sends, and as you guys can see, I have a list that was generated from the original sentence. Okay, so this is a sent, which is a sentence. This is another one, which is another sentence, and this is the last one, which also is another sentence. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy to do that, and you could use this to tokenize a tweet, for example, and you could try to extract some information from that. So this is just a simple idea that you could use this functionality to accomplish something else. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time.